For August 2, 2026, the MIND Midday Report reads a rolling 30-day window of 718 judged signals. That is 2 more than yesterday. The headline remains balanced. The structure underneath it does not. Capability is widening faster than participation. Material deployment and intelligence are advancing, but network is only balanced and diversity is still concentrating. More can be built. The unsettled question is who keeps practical agency as it scales. Material holds 135 signals, 19% of the flow, with a net positive 55. Robotics, racks, chips, energy, and factories are no longer supporting scenery. They are becoming the control points that determine where intelligence can actually act. Intelligence has grown to 408 signals, 57% of the window, with a net positive 62. The live tension is not capability alone. The AGI moral subject signal pushes the question from controlling outputs to deciding who has rights, standing, and recourse. Network stays at 92 signals with a net of 0. Balance sounds harmless, but this is the access layer. Salesforce integration and remote agent rails can widen participation, or make every builder a tenant of someone else's control plane. Diversity falls to 83 signals, 12% of the flow, with a net negative 16. That is the counter signal. Capability can spread while ownership and routes to scale narrow. A wider toolset does not automatically create a wider economy. Conscience remains 44 out of 100, balanced. Widening beats concentrating, 379 to 278. But 44 is not a passing grade. It means the argument is still alive, and diversity is where the unresolved cost is showing up. Compared with the published August 1 report, the window added 2 signals. Material and network held flat. Intelligence added 5. Diversity lost 3. Widening rose by 6 while concentrating fell by 3. The score did not move. The structure did. The new read is not that concentration one. It is that the aggregate improved while participation narrowed. That can become abundance with agency, or a more efficient toll booth. Watch who can challenge decisions, move between systems, and share in the upside. 3 moves follow. Back visible capability, physical projects with measurable public benefit. Demand contestable intelligence, systems people can inspect and challenge. Protect many routes to scale, open rails, portable data, and independent builders before access rules harden. The signal to hold is AGI as moral subject strains control-based alignment. It is developing, not settled. Its value is the question it opens: if systems gain practical agency, governance cannot stop at output filters. Rights, responsibility, and appeal move into the design brief. Watch 3 things next. Whether robotics and rack production widen real capacity. Whether remote agents and MCP create portability or platform dependence. And whether diversity reverses its fall from 86 to 83. That last number will tell us whether capability is becoming shared agency. The discipline is simple: follow consequence while the system is still plastic.